Hey, welcome back to Tuesday afternoon.
Hi everybody, it's Tuesday, and today I'm making two gnomes. One for me and one for Six, for her to hold. I'm going to start with a foil base, and later on I'll remove it. I want the head to be able to move and tremble, like the little characters in the game. I used a lot of different methods to get the texture I desired. Looking at my reference photos, it looks very organic. So I tried to recreate that. And I wanted to recreate the very generous gnome that met a very cruel fate. Now this prop was made for my little gnome that Six will be holding. We all know the reference. Most of this video will show the work I did on the larger gnome because it was easier for me to show the detail work. This one right here is the smaller gnome, so you get an idea of the scale. Here I had removed the foil and I'm putting on a base of the bottom part of the head, and there's a hole for the wire to go through. Here I'm working on the hands and feet, and they're very simple because they don't have any details. No nails or toes. They kind of remind me of somebody wearing stockings over their feet. They're so cute. I just love them in the game. I'm just going to use the same method I used in assembling them for all the other characters. To give it more of an organic look, I added paper clay. And once that dries, I'm going to sand it so I'll have lighter and darker textures. Here I'm just applying some pastel with a brush. I thought you might like to see what it looks like from far away, so you get an idea of the size. And here it is, all done. I know this was a short video, but there really wasn't that much to this character. But that being said, it was fun, and I love how it turned out. And I also had fun doing the stop motion at the beginning and end. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you would like to see me make next. Like and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you. Bye.